Do you have a toilet that someone has fucked up like this? Well, I'm here today to show you how you can clean your own toilet. First things first, you want to give it a flush to get some weight behind it. When the water goes down, you take this tool right here and you give it a good ramming. Can't fully get in there yet. Soon, but give it a good ramming. And Bob's your uncle. Just like that. And that's all you need. There's shit in there too. Give it another flush just to wash it out. And you're done.